Hello, my name is Sydney Pacheco. I'm a pre-sales software specialist, and today I'll be showing you how to register a contract in the AI-powered Contract Management AnyWare software system. So there's three ways you could do this. You could do a manual entry, you could use an import template to bulk import many contracts, or you can use the Ask Anywhere bot. So first I'll show you how to do a manual entry. You want to go to Operation in the navigation menu, and then you go to Contract. Over here, you would press this grid icon and you would press add to do a manual entry. And you would just input all of the different fields. All right, so I added all of these fields. All of these mandatory fields are determined by your personal organizational configuration. So you would have to save those details, and then you would also add contract files. So I'm just going to add a file from my system. You could also add any policy files if necessary. If you scroll down, you'll find more mandatory fields like the customer. Just for the demo, I'll put the demo company and I'll invoice to Babu. And then I would just press save. And you'll get the data added successfully message. You can search for it by the name, service agreement, and then just press search. And as you can see, the contract that we created is now live and in our contract list. So that's the first way. The second way that you can add a contract to the system is through an import template. So I'll show you that now. So once again, you would press this grid icon, but instead of using the add option, you'll do the import option. With this option, you'll have to upload an organization in a file. And the file that you upload is going to be based off this import template that we provide with you. So if you were to click that, you will have downloaded the import template into your file system. So I'll pull that template up to show you what it looks like. This is the import template that you are provided with. This is ideal for when you're trying to bulk import a large number of contracts. Let's say if you're coming from a different contract management system, you could use this option and import all of the contract records into this sheet. And then you would add that sheet, choose the organization, and then press submit. It will show you your import status. I'm just going to press close. And that's how you would bulk import contract records into this system. The last way you can add a contract to the system is through the Ask Anywhere bot. So you just click this icon from the bottom right, and it'll open up this chat bot for you. You'll start by entering the command create a contract. So I'm just going to copy and paste that into here. You'll press proceed. And it'll ask, is this a new contract or supporting document for an existing contract? So you'll say new contract in this case. And then you can provide the owner's email. And then you'll provide a contract draft name. You would have to make sure it is unique. So I'll say, you provide your unique contract number. And you'll say if it's a sell or a buy contract. So I'm going to say it's a sell contract. And finally, you would upload the contract. And I just selected this demo contract PDF. You'll upload it. And as you can see, Ask Anywhere is going to extract the data from the contract that you uploaded. So you just read through this extracted data, make sure everything looks good. You can edit it if you would like. So you just go into all the different fields. Once everything looks good, you'll submit. And then boom, your contract is successfully updated. That is the third and final way that I wanted to show you to add a contract to this system. I hope this was helpful and have a great day.